Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Luton. The local time is 9:25. Shortly, your cabin crew will be released from all stations to perform our safety-related duties. We do kindly ask you that you remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign for you. Please be careful when you're opening overhead lockers. Loose items may have moved during the flight and they may fall out. Please double check in the seat pockets just in front of you and also under your seat. Make sure you take all your least belongings when you're leaving us today. Double check you have all your documents, telephones, tablets, readers, duty-free gloves, coats, jackets, etc. For those who smoke, please refrain from doing so until you reach designated smoking area outside the terminal building. From all of us on board, your captain, first officer, but especially your onboard crew, would like to thank you for choosing EasyJet and we're looking forward to seeing you aboard soon. Once again, thank you and enjoy the wonderful sunshine today in London.